So this just in, guys. Unboxing. This just came in. This is Perfume. So we're going to see what Perfume came. Love Perfume.
Hey.
Yeah. So this is from FragranceNet. Throughout the video, I keep saying FragranceNet, but if you type that into the URL FragranceNet or fragrance.com, it will come up anyway. The actual site is FragranceNet.com, but if you type in fragrance.net, fragrance.com, or fragrancenet.com, it will come up. So this is where me and my mommy get our perfumes. This is actually my mommy own, but I'm going to unbox it. I don't care. So, alright, so fragrance.net, they have like their travel sizes. They have these travel sizes that you can buy perfume in. So, $13 for them. So, my mother started it. And I'll go follow her. Actually, I started it with Scent.
Yeah, with Scent.
I started with ScentBox. Yeah. But this nicer. Because I don't like extra bills at the end of the month. That's why I don't really like subscription service. Yeah. But when you're ready to try a sample, you can go online and buy it for $13 for a travel size. And they always have discounts. And I think it's good because like you can do it for travel, but you can also keep it in your handbag every day. So you stay smelling good. So they put the label on the perfume, so you know what perfume you have, so you won't get confused. And it come in these cylinders. They come in different colors. They come in different colors. Can't get to see it, but yeah, the bottles are cute, nice size, and feel good. Them look good, and you can have your designer perfume for $13. And you can try perfume before you commit to it, because my mother tried one. And one of them, it just started to make her sick. Like the smell was just too much for her, so you'd have to commit with $100 with something that might kill you. So like, try these. Fragrance.net, not sponsored. Like we really do this. Yeah. So this is the thing is, I forgot to do my unboxing. So I had these from a long time, and I have the ScentBox one. Actually, I did ScentBox for a while. I have more, but I hide it from my mother.
But you're up in my perfume, right?
Girl. This is the box that my first one came in. Just cool. And then these are the ones that I got from them. Them nice. So the ScentBox, these are the ScentBox ones. But this one was a subscription, about $20-something a month.
Yeah.
Like I wouldn't be doing that for 12 months.
Yeah.
I could, but no. Velvet Orchid.
Oh yes.
So good.
I'm gonna check if they have that one.
Smell, guys. It's so good.
You smell it?
I think it's Tom Ford. I don't remember.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this one.
See if they have it.
Oh, I love this one. Yellow Diamond by Versace. So nice. Yeah, I like Scentbird packaging better.
It's much nicer.
Yeah, it's nicer for real. It's more cutesy, more like
yeah. Especially if I've thing around it. It kind of.
All right, let's compare. So these two are in the same colors. This one is fragrance.net, and this one is ScentBox.
So they call it packaging?
Yeah, the packaging. I like the packaging on ScentBox more. Yeah. I don't know if it's different size. I really don't know. I don't know how to read size and stuff like. It doesn't have the size on it, but it would most likely have it on the site. I'll look maybe, but yeah, ScentBox own better.
Packaging is nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
But you're not committed to the $20 a month.
Yeah, like I couldn't deal with that commitment. I just whenever I'm ready, I do it. FragranceNet, ScentBox. But FragranceNet better because they have better. They have more, right?
Selection, yeah.
Yeah, they have.
And you can choose what you want.
They have more selection.
With FragranceNet, you choose what you want. Can you even buy what you want?
You can choose what you want with ScentBox too, but
I didn't know that.
you have to do it like ahead of a time. It just it kind of restrictive. We like FragranceNet because we can do it whenever we want or not when we don't want.
Yep.
So that's that. Oh, I forgot I was unboxing. Two different videos. These are the other two. Is this the one that we had in the sample? Yeah, so my mother sampled it and now she committed to it. Yeah, because it's nice for true. Yeah. So this is from a sample that was just what, $13? Yeah. Like that's a good deal. If you're trying to like find your fragrance, just spend like a $13 for a nice sample that cute and you can take it with you. And then another thing to like say like you like the sample and you get the full size, you can put the full size, like when the sample finish, you can put some of the full size one in the sample, so you have it when you're traveling, or if you just want to have a perfume in your bag every day. It's nice, cause that's what we do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got this from ScentBox, and this finished from last year, but I keep it because when I get more of La Vie est Belle, I just put it in there. This is how you put some of the full-size perfume in one of the travel size perfumes. After you buy the travel size and you do like it and yet buy the full size, you can refill the travel size so you can have perfume with you when you go on the road or when you're traveling. So I've had this for a while and I've refilled it a couple of times. Now it's empty. I need to get another one of this. This is La Vie est Belle, one of my favorite perfumes. I use this funnel to fill it. I'll link some links to get one of these funnel things for yourself. And now I'm gonna open it. It smells so good, oh my god. And then we're gonna put this here. And we're gonna refill it. I'm gonna fill it up. See, like if you go to Sephora for perfume samples, they do stuff like this as well. This is just a hack, you know, so you can stay smelling good when you're on the road. Well, when we're free to be on the road again. So you can have your favorite perfume at home and on you when you're on the road in your purse or when you're traveling. You don't have to carry your full-size perfume. I won't finish it because this is almost done. So I'm just going to end it here. You can fill it up as much as you can or as much as you want to, but I won't fill it up too much because I don't want to finish this. So tap, tap, tap. And then put it back. And then voila. You have your travel size perfume. It's just in my bag, and when I want to freshen up, just go. Smells so good. Smell it. So both of these are samples.
Yeah.
That she got them as sample first, but no, she got the full size.
Yeah, got them in the travel size, and then
yeah. I keep calling it sample. Sorry, it's called the travel size. I mean, it is because sample is like 3 drops.
But this is more than 3 drops.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. That's why it's not a sample.
Right.
So yeah, these are the perfumes we got. So what other sample? You're trying something new?
Yes. This is Sexy Ruby. It's a Michael Kors as
Sexy
well.
Ruby.
Yeah.
This one is Sexy Amber.
That's the one I love.
I can't wait to try Ruby because that's my birthstone.
Oh yeah.
And Ruby pretty. But
you want to try the Ruby. And the bottle itself is red. Like a red
Woo!
Ruby. Yeah. Let me try it. If I like it, then I'm going to get the bottle. Okay, just put a little on your wrist or wherever you want to put it. Test it. It's the first time trying it. Like it?
I like it.
Okay, good.
But I don't remember how Amber smells. I don't want to spray it to compare it.
Right,
I think I might like Amber more.
Let
me try the Amber. So this is Michael Kors.
Sexy Amber.
Sexy Amber.
Amber and it's Amber.
Amber. Pretty.
Yeah, nice.
Pretty. Oh, yeah, this is nice. Alright, let me try it. Amber nice.
This is already. Yeah, I love the Sexy Amber.
Oh, that's another thing they say, you must tap and not rub when you put perfume on you.
Oh, really?
That them say.
Oh.
Wait. Yeah, I like Amber more than Ruby.
Yeah.
Alright, so the next one. And this is the other one that she had a sample for, but then she got the full size. YSL Mon Paris. Couture.
This is couture?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Smell it. It's nice. So, this is the Mon Paris. So pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Ooh.
Okay, no, clean.
Ooh. It just looks like magic. Woo. Alright, let me try it. I don't know where to spray it now. Did I? No. No.
Oh my god, it's so good. Jesus.
Woo! This one smell like candy.
I love it.
Woo! Woo! Yeah, man, this is nice.
Yes, I love it. Yeah, man, we got this sampling and we said, them two you want.
Yummy. So what else came in here? So these are the samples. And I sent a sample of Simply Belle. I don't know who this is, but I said Simply Belle. We'll try it.
Yeah, we'll try it and see if we like it.
And they gave like an eye serum.
Oh, right. Yeah, they usually put like a sample of stuff.
Yeah, they put sample stuff in there. Yeah, that's them. Them get free promotion. But yeah, we like them, right?
Yeah, I love them.
So this is what we got from Fragrance.
Turn the mic record yesterday.
Oh, Jesus. Did it turn on?
Oh.
I think. Thumbnail. Anyway, so this was an unboxing. It didn't start out that way.
Unexpected unboxing.
It didn't start that way. I was filming another video. I don't know if it's the same video. It might be a different one. But this was an unboxing. It was fun. It was just perfume. And a little tip and trick that you can do. So thank you guys for watching my random perfume unboxing.